जब बात हो रही है सोशल मीडिया की तलह तो आगे भी हम बात करते हैं कि सोशल मीडिया पे यूट्यूब पे ही एक और कोरियन पॉप सिंगर बहुत फेमस हैं और वो ख़ास तौर पे उनकी कुछ पिक्चर्स वायरल हो रही हैं जब उन्होंने उम्रा परफॉर्म करने के लिए वो गए, क्योंकि उन्होंने कुछ अर्सा पहले इस्लाम कबूल किया है। तो उन्होंने इस्लाम कबूल कैसे किया और उनकी कौन सी पिक्चर्स वायरल हो रही हैं ये भी आपको बताएंगे, इनसे बात भी करेंगे।
कोरियन यूट्यूबर का पहले नाम था जाई हैंग किम, अब उनका नाम है दाऊद किम। इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं लाइव। दाऊद, वेलकम टू द शो, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग अस योर प्रेशियस टाइम। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन I'd like to ask you, how do you feel now? How did Islam change your life and change your perspectives and change your thoughts and change the way you live your life? How does it feel now?
So I can say now?
Yes, so you're live right now, Dawood. Go ahead.
Okay, so Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। मेरा नाम दाऊद है।
माशाल्लाह।
Yeah.
दाऊद, इस्लाम ने आपकी जिंदगी कैसे बदली? How did Islam change your life?
Yes, I will tell you about the story. Actually, it's a really long story, but I will try to make it short. So, as you told me, as I see the video, I was a singer in Korea. So there was many opportunity because K-pop is now really like worldwide popular. So I have some chance to performance in Indonesia and Tunisia and other countries. So I've been there and I meet the real Muslims. And before that, actually, my thoughts again about Islam was not very good. Because the movie show about the negative thing about Islam. So I was also thought like Islam is it's strict religion or it's dangerous religion. But when I was in there, I was so surprised because they are not dangerous. They are so kind, they are so generous, and they try to help me a lot, and they treat me as a brother. So I was very surprised, and especially there are many girls who wear the scarf, which is hijab. So I asked them the question like, why do you wear this? Because I thought at first they wear the scarf by the force. Someone forced them, but they answered me different. They answered me, "Oh, this is my identity, and nobody forced it, and I choose it to protect myself, and this is show my face to Allah, and I'm so proud of that." So I was really surprised. Oh, something is different. Oh, something. My thought, so my thought is changed. So my prejudice, stereotypes changed, and I get interested in this religion. Oh, why this religion make them proud? Why this religion make them happy? So I try to read Quran, and I try to practice. I try to do namaz in mosque, and I try to fast in Ramadan. And slowly I get realize about the purpose of my life and the thing that guide me. And I slowly get the faith that there is something which is called Allah, Subhanallah. And after I realized that, my life so changed, and I get my life is more peaceful, and I think I'm not alone because I have hope, because I believe in God. I'm always with God, and Allah always help me. I believe that. So that's why I choose Islam. But I don't think I choose Islam, but Allah choose me to be a Muslim. So true. I think I'm so lucky, and Alhamdulillah. So yeah, that's why I become a Muslim.
True. Okay, Dawood, just tell me, how do you feel when you perform Umrah, when you visit to Makkah, when you've been there? How do you feel? Yeah. What was your experience?
It was amazing. It was amazing. Like when I was in Umrah, because when I became a Muslim 2 years ago, and I've never been there before, the Saudi Arabia, the Kaaba, Mecca, and when I arrived the Kaaba, I feel like this is my home. Even if I didn't, even though I've never been there, it feels like it's my home, and I feel like I come back to home. It's so comfortable. It's so peaceful,
and you are blessed, mashallah, alhamdulillah. You are really blessed that you visited there.
Mashallah, mashallah.
Yes.
Another important question, the question is, how did your fans reacted to the news then when they heard that you converted to Islam? Were they happy? Were they sad? And what is the message that you'd like to give to the world out there in the Western world? Islamophobia, the people who believe in Islamophobia and think that Islam is a terrorist religion. What message would you give to them?
The message to the people who have Islamophobia. Okay. So actually, I know because I was in Korea and I was in non-Islamic countries. So many medias show the Islam's bad things, which is not true, which is not even true. But actually, because of their wrong information, because I know like West, because of that, people get interest like me. Because I thought this is dangerous, but when I see the real Muslims, I thought I realized that this is wrong. The truth of the life is here in Islam, and in the Quran. The Quran teach you the right of your life. They guide your life. So I think that's not only bad thing, because rather Islamophobia lead them to the right religion. So I also want to say that people who have stereotypes or prejudice just try to see them the real life. You don't need to like believe in this religion or believe in God, but just see their real life, see their real smile, see their real happiness. Then you will definitely get interest in this. So that's what I want to say.
All right, fine. Thank you so much, Dawood. आपसे मिलके खुशी बात करके बहुत खुशी हुई. Thank you so much.
जज़ाकल्लाह, thank you for coming on our show. और जो बड़ा अच्छा उन्होंने मैसेज दिया पूरी दुनिया में और बताया कि कोरिया में भी जो है इस्लाम का नेगेटिव इमेज दुनिया को दिखाया जा रहा था, लेकिन जब उन्होंने इस्लाम कबूल किया तो उन्हें मालूम पड़ा कि इस्लाम का दूसरा नाम ही प्यार है, ये अमन का मजहब है और यकीनन दुनिया में पैगाम अब वो भी फैला रहे हैं और अपने रब के भी शुक्रगुजार हैं कि वो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इस्लाम का बोलबाला हो रहा है, मुसलमानों की तादाद में इजाफा हो रहा है.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.